Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how you can protect your home network from unauthorized access just by following 10 essential steps. Maintaining the security of your devices and personal data depends on keeping your home network safe from illegal access. 1. Modify the default administrator login credentials. New routers frequently come with default login information. To prevent illegal access, change these right away to distinct, strong usernames and password combinations. 2. Turn on network encryption by utilizing your router's Wi-Fi Protected Access 2 (WPA2) or Wi-Fi Protected Access 3 (WPA3) encryption protocols. More security is offered by these protocols than by more antiquated ones like WPA or Wired Equivalent Privacy (WP). For your Wi-Fi network, choose a secure password. 3. Update the firmware on your router. Check for firmware updates from the router manufacturer on a regular basis and install them right away. Updates to the firmware frequently contain security fixes that fix bugs and boost overall efficiency. Enable network firewalls. Most routers have built-in firewalls that help filter incoming and outgoing network traffic. Enable the firewall to add an extra layer of protection to your home network. Disable remote management. Remote management allows you to access your router's settings from outside your home network. Disable this feature unless you specifically need it, as it can be a potential security risk. Change the default network name. SSID. The SSID is the name of your Wi-Fi network. Avoid using personal or identifiable information in the network name. Choose a unique and non-generic SSID to make it harder for attackers to target your network. Use strong and unique passwords. Set strong and unique passwords for your router's administrative interface, Wi-Fi network, and other connected devices. Include a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Enable network encryption for guest networks. If your router supports guest networks, enable network encryption for them as well. This ensures that guests connecting to your Wi-Fi network have a separate and secure connection. Enable MAC address filtering. Many routers offer MAC address filtering, where you can specify which devices are allowed to connect to your network based on their unique MAC addresses. Add the MAC addresses of your devices to the allowed list. Regularly monitor connected devices. Keep an eye on the devices connected to your network. If you notice any unfamiliar or suspicious devices, investigate and take appropriate action, such as changing your Wi-Fi password or blocking the device. You can take those extra steps as well. Enable guest network isolation. If your router supports it, enable guest network isolation. This feature prevents devices connected to the guest network from communicating with other devices on your main network, adding an extra layer of security. Use a separate network for smart devices. If you have smart home devices, consider setting up a separate network specifically for them. This way, even if one of the devices is compromised, it won't have direct access to your main network and sensitive information. Disable unused services and ports. Review your router's settings and disable any unnecessary services and open ports. This reduces the attack surface and minimizes potential vulnerabilities. Implement network segmentation. If your router supports it, consider implementing network segmentation. This involves dividing your home network into separate segments, such as one segment for computers and another for IT devices. This can help contain potential threats and restrict lateral movement within your network. Use a virtual private network (VPN). A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and provides an added layer of privacy and security. Consider using a VPN, especially when accessing your home network remotely or connecting to public Wi-Fi networks. Enable intrusion detection and prevention. Some routers offer intrusion detection and prevention systems, IPS, as an additional security feature. These systems monitor network traffic for malicious activities and can help block potential threats. Consider network monitoring tools. Explore network monitoring tools that provide insights into the devices connected to your network, their activities, and potential security issues. These tools can alert you to any suspicious behavior or unauthorized access attempts. Secure your physical network. Don't overlook the physical security of your network equipment. Keep your router in a secure location and restrict physical access to it. Additionally, change the default login credentials of any connected devices, such as security cameras or smart home hubs. Educate family members. Ensure that everyone in your household is aware of good security practices. Teach them about the importance of strong passwords, avoiding suspicious links and downloads, and being cautious with sharing personal information online. Regularly review logs and perform security audits. Check your router's logs periodically to identify any unusual activity. Perform security audits of your network, reviewing settings, access controls, and connected devices. By implementing these additional security measures, you can further strengthen the protection of your home network and safeguard your digital environment.